Anelisiwe finally said tiki bars of command full stop makarena bumshaka tobela mangcogi pentu yang pendulela mangcogi andu yang understand DSTV satellite dish to that one of her soon to be ex-husband who was showing her fire. Okay, but guess who has the laugh last now? Last yo isila pasaga engine techa. I knew that 33.3% would catch up to me. Last laugh. Who has the last laugh? Angie, when I catch you, Minister of Defense. Ngan amukela kunqobo yami bomtabaka tayati bomtabaka gogo bomtabaka auntie bomtabaka sissy. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Anelisiwe, my colleague. Yes, when it's always a good day when a woman chooses herself. Before we break it down, we have got the stunning Tandega Kosa, who is the mother of 2 beautiful babies, and she is sharing her space with us here on YouTube. Please go over there and subscribe to her as she embarks on a journey of making her home of living more stunning, more beautiful us, and then showing us where she gets the furniture and the decor pieces and the prices. I love prices. Go over there and subscribe to her.
Hi everyone, my name is Tandega Kosa. I'm a mother of 2 girls. I'm a content creator. I work a 9 to 5 and I'm trying to turn my house into a home. While doing that, I'm documenting everything. So if you get a chance, please slide into my channel. If you like something there, please like and subscribe and share. Or if you like to know where some of the other items in my house I bought them, I will share everything. So please like and share. Like I said, your support is highly appreciated. Thank you.
Now let us talk about my new colleague in the divorce court, who is also my colleague on YouTube, Anelisiwe Tshangana, who was married to Uluthando. Guys, she is a lifestyle content creator and I've always loved this babe because why? She's got an amazing head on her shoulders. Never mind that she loves iskolo. She is a school baby, okay? We saw their journey on YouTube as obviously she shares her content. But what was not amazing was how the soon-to-be ex-husband was embarrassing her on public platforms. Literally asking girls out on social media. Okay? Anelisiwe did the wife thing that she always did. Like, she really tried so hard to not air this man out. But every chance this man got, he put his voice roots in different birth equipment. Okay, he forgot that he was in a permanent Zoom meeting with Anelisiwe. He wanted to do other private part collaborations, so Anelisiwe was like, you know what, I am up to here. Lovatatika versus Vela, and released a statement. And let us read what her statement says. Okay, official statement by Anelisiwe Tshangana. Hey my loves, as I navigate this new chapter in my life, I wanted to take a moment to address a few changes. After much consideration and reflection, my husband and I have made the difficult decision to separate and are currently in the process of divorcing. Yes, wena, Princess Diana Ophilayo. I understand that this news may come as a shock to many of you. No, sissy. Shock is I see you, Tina. We knew how you're gonna choose yourself. And I applaud and I appreciate your understanding and support during this challenging time. I want to assure you that I am doing my best to navigate this new chapter with grace and positivity. Yes, you are, Grace Montlana. You are. I would like to thank my followers for their continued love and support. Your kindness and compassion mean the world to me, and I am grateful to have you all by my side as I embark on this new journey. We are here, my sister. I kindly request that you respect my privacy and the privacy of my loved ones during this time. I will continue to share my life with you all, and I look forward to the new chapter ahead. Thank you again for your love and support. Sincerely, Anelisiwe Tshangana. I love people that respect us, because when you were posting and we were writing, oh you guys, now you come out with a statement. Yes, my sister, we thank you. Mamela, we will, after this video, I will support your privacy, Siswam. You know, divorce is not easy, but trust me, you have just now created a new space for you to grow, elevate, and be greater than ever. Okay? And let me tell you something about women who go to the divorce course. The glow is insane. The boys want you. You have more chances of getting married again than single people. Single people are still in the first line to get married. When now you're line S2, but you might also overtake single people. So worry not. Wipe your tears away. Look at your face. Look at your skin. Look at your wardrobe. You have got this. No one has got this than you. You got this, okay? Mina ndi proud ngawe. Finally, phakama Nkosikazi, ixesha lifikile. Yes wena. Chips. El baba ile go slope eripere. Buhle Samuels. I knew the spirit of Matsidiso lives in real life. Yeah? It's like a snake that doesn't have a name yet. It's just a Western ETV Anaconda playing every year before June 16. Then you tell us that we must not talk about this story. No, sisi. No, sisi. Abayenzi kanjalo. Abayenzi kanjalo abasekho. Thina siyenza kanjalo ke. Siyayenza. Ubani loyo? I'm a debit order. Hey, 24. Now let us talk about the devastatingly, gorgeously fraudulent, allegedly Buhle Samuels. Now, last year, Kaboma Women's Month, so Boma August, we saw Buhle walk into a car dealership. And then they said Renal, she said they said Swift at man. How about the Gomf area engi? Kibat a Porsche 911 Porsche Panamera. I only know 2 Porsches because I can't afford them, you see. But yeah, then we saw her buy a Porsche. And then she said in that post, from me to me. That yes, women in mechanicism, women in technology, because yeah, independence is the key component to F&B transactions. Yeah? How? Chigi. Next, in the next 5 minutes, guess what happened? The car dealership reports Buhle, allegedly. The car dealership says that, this girl put the forgery in the documentation. I said, what? They said, yeah. She got this car under fraudulently, suspicions. I said, why? Do I smell forex traders? They say, no. You smell us taking her to court. Guess what? The story is, authorities have seized the vehicle, which is now being held as evidence while investigations continue. Samuels appeared in the Alexander Magistrate Court, where she stands accused of falsifying company documents and forging signatures to acquire high-end vehicle. The Porsche in question was posted on Instagram in August. Ay sana. And then, you know what? Then when Maphephandaba went to her and then they asked her, they said, hey Buhle, what is going on with the whole Porsche story? This is her words verbatim. This is how she responded to Maphephandaba. It's a legal matter, so I cannot get into the nitty-gritty currently. What I can categorically, spoken like a politician, what I can categorically state is the accusations are very false and the legal action will be taken against anyone who endorses these falsehoods. Nami. I don't even know where Myra's is. I prefer for you not to run with this until the matter is resolved. The truth will reveal itself in due course. Sana, Buhle is threatening people that are gonna run with the story. So now that I've reported it, please call my lawyers from there in Clientele Life. Tell them that now is the time that I need Desmond Dube and Lillian Dube in my life. Buhle. Kanti thina sithi man nikumva ngone act. Kanti nina niyayithatha le acting niyise ku higher grade. Ooh, I wonder if top billing still existed in this day and age. Uri prison would have been so filled. Rosemary Ndlovu would have not just been one, she would have multiplied. Ooh, I told you, social media, that place is not a real place. People there make like they have a Lamborghini, but no, it's just the instant porridge and a Movite. So don't ever in your life want to get yourself into debts to keep up with the Joneses. Even Minnie Jones is no longer a Jones. So don't even try to be a Jones. It's not worth it.